This is a simple problem on algebra. The problem is like this: 9 to the power x plus 15 to the power x is equal to 25 to the power x. This is the given problem, okay? You have to solve for x, means you have to find out the value of x for this given equation. Only one variable is there, that is x. So you divide both sides of this equation by the right hand side. Right hand side term is 25 to the power x. So divide both sides by that term. So what you are getting here, 9 by 25 whole to the power x, and here 15 by 25 whole to the power x is equal to 1. Okay, this thing we have got. Now 9 to the power 9 by 25, this can be written as 3 by 5 whole square. Okay, therefore this is equal to 3 by 5 whole to the power 2x plus, because 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 9 by 25, and here it is 3 by 5 whole to the power x. Okay, now this is what? 3 by 5 to the power x and square of that. So if you assume 3 by 5 whole to the power x is equal to y, so let 3 by 5 whole to the power x is equal to y. Okay, if you assume like this, then this equation is transformed into a new one in terms of y. So what you will get? You will get y square here you will get y, and in the right hand side 1 was there, so minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Now this is a quadratic equation in y, and you can easily solve for y. Okay, you can easily solve for y. Okay, so what is y? The value of y, this can be written here. Y is equal to, according to that formula, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and from that formula we know the result. So here b is what? Plus 1. So here minus 1 will be there, then plus minus sign will be there, under root will be there. Okay, and here will appear b square, means 1 square. Okay, 1 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is how much? C is minus 1. Okay, by 2a means 2 into 1. Right? So this is the result. So under root it is how much? Minus plus 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So this is y. Okay. And y is how much? Expression for y is this one, 3 by 5 whole to the power x. Therefore we can say 3 by 5 whole to the power x is equal to this right hand side, minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Okay, means two answers will be there, one with plus sign, another one is minus sign. And about the value of x, nothing is mentioned, whether it is real or complex. Okay, means imaginary, nothing is mentioned in the problem. So you will get, you should use both the answers. Okay, so therefore x is equal to how much? It is equal to log of this divided by log of this. Am I right? Minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2 log of right hand side divided by log of 3 by 5. So this is the answer to the given problem, whether it is visible or not. No, everything is not visible clearly. Anyway, the remaining part I will provide on the screen, okay? The remaining part, this portion is not clearly visible, okay? Anyway, I am going to provide all these things on the screen. You will get on the screen everything. And I use cap sign. There is a problem of typing. the mathematical equations. So I'll use cap sign to denote exponential or power. Okay, that means if I write 2 cap, this is cap, 2 cap x, so meaning of this is 2 to the power x, like that. 2 cap x is equal to 2 to the power x cap. Okay, I will use cap to denote the mathematical equations. Okay, means to denote exponential. Anyway, problem is with this. Okay, sufficient ink is not there inside this, means color is not there, and that's why there is problem, and that is problem of light also here. Anyway, this is the end of this problem. Thank you for watching this video.